Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, another learning for today. So in this video, I will show you how to enable the two-step verification. So right now, as you can see here in my YouTube channel, Simply AlRitch Tutorials, I'm going to navigate here to the monetization tab, and the two-step verification is already checked. I have done that like months ago, even before YouTube announced that we need to enable the two-step verification for our channel accounts for security. So for this example or for this demo, I'm going to use the account of our team channel. So as you can see here, this is our team's channel. I also have an access to this account, and I'm one of the editors or the managing this YouTube account. So I'm going to go here to the manage videos, and it will redirect me to the page where it will ask to turn on the two-step verification. So as soon we really need to do this as soon as we can, because it says here that by November 1, 2021, we will not have access to YouTube Studio if we will not turn on this two-step verification. So it says you'll be redirected to Google security turn. Yes, this is a security feature, so our accounts will not be hacked. So let's do that. I'm going to click on turn on two-step verification, and then I'm going to it will ask you to log into your account. So that's our, then use your phone as your second step to sign in. So these are the phones that were used to access the our team channel account, because we are like six admins. Yes, we six members of the admin team. So far, only four have used their gadgets: Oppo A79, KT, Galaxy A20, Galaxy A8, Vivo 1820. So this is my device, Galaxy 20 A20. So I'm going to add my phone number, and then I prefer to get the code via text. Then the code will be sent to my cell phone number. Okay, so it's here now. I'm going to type it in. Then next, click on next, validating the PIN. Second step, Google prompt default. So this is like the backup option. Voice or, yeah, that's another, the voice or text message. You'll stay inside on this Oppo and tomorrow. You might be signed up to sign in only the okay, turn on. Then click on turn on. So it's that easy to turn on the two-step verification. Now let's go to the monetization tab. If I can now see the check mark in turning on the two-step verification. Oh, yes, since this is a monetized channel, I could not see that compared to this channel, because Simply AlRitch Tutorials is not yet a monetized channel. So let's check that. You can see that on your, hang on, let's try to find it. It's not in the settings, but on your Gmail account. Try to check that. So I just checked my email, so I can see here that there's an email that says your Google account is now protected with two-step verification. When you sign in on a new and trusted device, you'll need your second factor to verify your identity. So it is that easy to turn on the two-step verification. You will have like backup codes in case you forgot it. I'll try to show that. Yes. So after you can review your two-step verification settings to make changes. So if you click that one, so these are the devices, the phone number. So these are like the backup codes. So I will not just show that to you in case you like you don't have your phone. You can use this to log in or access your account. So guys, I have just clicked the setup link on the backup codes, and now Google has sent me an email that the backup codes are already generated. So by default, they will give you 10 backup codes, and in case you don't have access to your phone, you can use that to log into your account. So that's it, guys. Our account here in Alotian YouTubers is now secure using the two-step factor authentication, two-step verification. So it's that easy, right? It's just a few clicks away. So don't worry or don't overthink about it that much how to set it up, because it's really just easy. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, or comment down below for your suggestion, questions, or any feedback. Thank you. Bye.